Patience, get back.
I told you.
Get this shovel and chop his head off.
Shoot him in the head. That's a duck. That's
Don't shoot it no more.
Oh my God.
Shut up.
No, he ain't.
Who?
Here's this and cut his head off.
He'll die.
Take a picture.
Poor thingy. I did.
Get a picture of his head.
I'm taking a video.
Are you?
Yeah.
Don't get too close to him.
Why?
He's back.
Don't let him suffer.
What have you been? Let him bite that.
Don't let him suffer.
It's a snake.
So?
It's the devil's animal.
It's still not fair. You're letting him suffer.
Cut his head off with that shovel. Can
Ew.
you shoot him again?
No.
Hit him.
Oh!
Hit him with it. Hit him with it. Like you're gonna stick it in. No.
Poor thing. Oh. He's
Hit him with it.
Ah! My God.
There you go. He ain't dead. He won't never be dead. Now take him, put him on that thing and throw him out. Coulter, quit. Don't cut his head all the way off.
He was
Take
trying
it and throw it down
to.
there in the woods. Or down there in the weeds.
Well, ain't that what you're supposed to do when you kill a snake? It don't die until you kill it.
I want to pick it up and take a picture with it.
It's a video.
Get a picture of it. Go stick it on Facebook.
It's a video.
Take a picture of it.
Okay.